What is merch by Amazon? Anyone who is interested in making money online must be involved with Amazon. They have millions of customers all over the world ready to shop. Hello, my name is Robin, and welcome to my Make Money Online Magically channel. Please like and subscribe if you like this information that you are receiving. Note that you have to sign up and get approved for Merch by Amazon. So Merch by Amazon allows you to create the artwork and they will print the items on shirts. Do your research as to what is selling right now. Social media sites such as Instagram and Pinterest are great sites to figure out what items are trending. While doing a quick search today, it seems that shirts with guns, explosions going off in the background, and shirts with the American flag seem to be selling. Everyone has the ability to upload designs. I use a program called Canva for all my design needs. I will leave a link below for more information on Canva. Once approved for Merch by Amazon, it is really easy to get started. It is as simple as creating great art. The customer can choose the colors that they want. Your customers will come to purchase your items and select their own color. They can select their own sizes. And the customer can purchase their item. And you eventually get a commission. So if you sell a shirt for $20 and every time someone purchases a shirt you make money. It is important to create good-looking artwork. Amazon has the traffic and customers looking to shop. You may have to run paid ads. Or use social media sites to bring traffic to your products. Do your research, and if you have a really popular design, you can get hundreds of orders for a single shirt. You can actually shop your designs to local businesses and they can have their employees purchase shirts right off of Amazon. It's a great concept because you do not have to purchase any merchandise. It is truly print on demand. Because you have to apply to be a part of Merch by Amazon. It is not saturated. And it is a great way to start an online business. Let's do a recap. Remember, Merch by Amazon is actually an on-demand service. You upload your images. Amazon just prints. And they ship it to customers via Prime. And you earn a monthly royalty for your t-shirts. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about shipping and returns. It fits in line with the idea of passive income, but you do have to put some work in initially. It's free to get started. So what are you waiting for? If someone buys your item, that is money in your pocket. Literally, Amazon does all the hard work. And they just pay you royalties from the first day. The right designs as well as the right keywords for the designs will equal profits. Your first step is research. Log into Pinterest.com now because this is where a lot of people make their buying decisions. Pinterest acts like an online digital refrigerator. You can also check sites like AliExpress.com to see what is trending and selling. If you feel like you are not skilled in creating artwork, you can go to Fiverr.com and get a very cheap graphic designer to do all the hard work for you. I will put a link in the description. You can get a designer to make a shirt design for as low as $10 and sometimes below. You can also do a Google search. Your top design searches will show and then you can have your shirts designed to make you money based on what customers are looking for. When you figure out what you want to sell. For example, you might want to sell cat shirts. Go on Instagram and do a search on cats. Find influencers that you can reach out to. See if they are willing to make a cat video with your cat shirt. TikTok is also a great way to get your shirt link out there. You can get someone to promote your designs for relatively cheap. Find someone already doing videos and who has 1,000 or more subscribers. Most would love to make some money. Or get a free item. Then their followers will click on your link and you will make money as well. There is no better time than now. Good luck and please subscribe to my channel.